Howdy, I'm Wayne. Thanks for joining me. Picked up another Nerf type dart shooter. This is an Adventure Force. It's called Hyperspin. Has two rotating barrels in it. Each one holds 6 darts. Thought we'd take it out, show you how to use it. Try it, see what we can do here. Let's see how we open this. Like it spins off here and screws. Let's see. Got that one. There's another one here. You can see they just unscrew here. Got that one. We got a third one up here. There's a fourth one. Oh, they really clamped this one down, didn't they? There's our gun. All right. Look at that. Cock it right there and fire it. This one changes the rotating cylinders. Right there. I guess you have to help it a little bit. Right there. Alright. Well, there it is. Let's do some playing with it and see how it goes. Here's your darts. See how they open up here just like that. Alright. Green ones. Loads pretty easy. You just slip it right in the cylinder right there. I would think the bottom one's easier to get into. There's one. Rotate it. Number 2. Rotate it. Number 3. See, that's how you load it anyhow. Tell you what, let's do. Let's change the cylinders here, right there. Okay. Let's fire one. What do you say? Whoa, good little dart. You know, I have some other darts here. This is actually from an actual Nerf product. I think we'll put it in right here. See how it goes. This one came from an X-Shot. Well, it's the blue one. We'll put it in right here. See how they fire, okay? Let's change to the bottom one because that's where I put those two. Right there. When you cock it, it comes up, loads it. Yeah, that worked good. The Nerf one now. Nerf worked good, so it'll fire pretty much any of the darts. I've got 3 different kinds here, so we'll set up a little target and do some shooting. Okay, we've set up one of the targets that Nerf sells. We actually did a video on this, showed you how to use it in an earlier video, so go check that out. So we're going to shoot at that. So what we're going to do here now is, we've loaded one cylinder. We're going to load the other cylinder now. There. There. They just slide right in. Oops, I dropped that one, didn't I? Alright, let's do a little shooting now. Remember, pull this trigger right here. Lets you swap cylinders. Okay? So we're ready to do some firing. You cock it right here. And let's do a little firing. I'll tell you what, let's turn on the target. Let it make a little noise here. Activate. Number 1. Alright, let's see what we can do here. If we can hit some of these things with it. That didn't even fire, did it? Gotta be sure they're down in there good. Alright, let's... Oops, I pulled the wrong trigger, didn't I? Alright, here we go. Oh, missed. There's one. There's two. That didn't fall back, but I got it. See how the cylinder changes when you cock it? Watch here, I'll show you here. See how it changes? Alright. Let's fire another one here. Hit that one. Alright. I think I got one more shot up here. Got that one. Now what we're going to do is pull this trigger down here, and it releases that and lets you pull the other cylinder up there that's loaded. So cock it. Got him. Got him. Okay, so you can see how it goes. It's a pretty good little gun. You got 12 shots, even though it's a single shot, but works pretty good. So I kind of like this gun, so I'll recommend it. It's Adventure Force. It's made by Walmart. I think that's their brand. So okay, check out our playlist. They'll all be under Nerf. We got more of these up here, so please like and subscribe. Stay with us, and we'll get more up here, and we will see you next time.